A special blend of pineapple juice, soy sauce, ginger and chilies make a wonderful brine for my young turkey. I then create a simple marinade and paint it on, and then smoke it low and slow. Cravings Food Adventures. I'm super excited today because we're going to be making a Hawaiian style turkey. This turkey is going to be marinated with the flavors of Hawaii, and then it's going to be smoked low and slow. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the brine. I'm going to be using 2 liters of pineapple juice, and I have some extra on hand should I need it. Please note that you should not use fresh pineapple juice. The acid in fresh pineapple will tenderize the turkey too fast and you will have mushy meat. Next, I'm going to balance that sweetness with 1 cup of light soya sauce, half a cup of sherry or cooking wine, half a cup of apple cider, half a cup of hot sauce, and I'm going to be adding in half a cup of ginger slices that I sliced very thinly. I'm also going to throw in 1 to 2 tablespoons of chilies. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of fresh cracked pepper. I have a lovely young turkey here. This is roughly 12 pounds. I've taken this out of the bag and I've removed any pieces that are stuffed in the cavity, like the neck and the giblets. I'm going to place this in a bag and pour the brine in. Normally, I make a brine out of water, salt and sugar, and I leave the bird in it overnight. But because I'm using pineapple juice, I will only allow this to sit for a few hours, as I can't risk the meat getting too tender. Once done, I will just drain out all the brine and make sure to pat the bird dry. I'm going to make a simple marinade to cover the bird, and we'll be using this through the smoking process. I have 1 cup of ketchup. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Mix this and add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. To avoid contamination, I'm going to spoon some of the marinade over, and then I'm going to brush it on the bottom of the bird and flip it over. My grill smoker is already ready with both charcoal and wood chips, and it has been heated up to about 200 degrees. I'm going to place my bird on the rack. Keep the temperature to about 200 to 250 degrees, and this should cook in about 3 to 4 hours. When the thermometer registers to about 172 degrees on the thickest part, you know it's cooked all the way through. Paint on more of the marinade in between and cover any parts that start to burn with foil. I'm also going to be adding some fresh pineapple for grilling. Once done, serve with all the trimmings. This Hawaiian turkey brought a lot of sunshine to our feast. Happy Thanksgiving! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Hawaiian style turkey. It's so delicious, and the fact that it's smoked, it makes it even more special. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below so I know what you think about this video. Also, if you like my recipes, do share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.